Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to buy a Prime membership on Amazon, step by step. So, first things first, open the Amazon app or just go to the Amazon website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the search bar at the top, yeah, that one, and type in the word Prime. You'll see Amazon Prime pop up in the results, so go ahead and click on it. Now, you should be on the Prime information page. This is where you can, check out what's included, like shipping benefits, movies, and all that, plus the pricing details. If you spot a button that says send details, go ahead and tap that. Amazon will email you the info about Prime and how to start your free trial. All right, now head to your email inbox. You'll see a message titled Ready to Try Prime. Just open that and click the button that says Start your 30-day free trial. You'll be asked to sign in again. Just enter your email or your phone number and hit Continue. After that, you'll need to fill in your billing address and choose your payment method. You can also enter a promo code here if you have one. Once everything looks good, hit Continue. And boom, your Amazon Prime membership is active. And yeah, that's it. Super easy, right? Now you can enjoy fast delivery, Prime Video, and a bunch of other perks. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've got more quick how-to guides coming up.